Hello everybody, Greg Offenbach here with another motor. I have a 1955 QD16 10 horsepower Johnson. I picked up this motor about 3 weeks ago at the AOMCI meet in Coldwater, Michigan. It's actually for my brother. He was wanting a 10 horse, so I found this one for him. It felt like it had good strong compression, and so I went through it, the usual stuff, points, condenser. The coils were good, water pump, carb kit, and gear case seal kit. So I'm out trying it out today, and I'm impressed. It's a quiet, smooth running motor. Doesn't seem to have any internal rattles. I had it up to about 14 miles an hour earlier. I think it would help probably if I had a little extra weight in the front of this boat. I've got this 14-foot bluefin, and it needs a little weight in the front end. I've got the 7.5 there just as a backup motor. It helps add a little weight to the front of the boat, but I think a passenger up there would help. So let's give it a try and see how it does. I have a hard time starting with my left hand. There we go. Idle's nice and smooth. Pumping lots of water. Very quiet. Get out of the wind, I can hear the RPMs pick up a little bit. reverse. Pumping lots of water. Back into forward. Well, that about does it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the water.